Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the FC25 EA servers are unavailable right now, please try again later error. This issue is usually caused by network or DNS problems, and we can fix it in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click on it, and click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then, under Use the following DNS server addresses, enter the following. For preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close all windows. Next, go back to the search bar, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After restarting, launch FC25 again. The EA servers error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.